babes, and welcome to a new tutorial here on the channel. As you guys can see from the title, this is a super wearable, glowy, summery look. No lashes, no foundation whatsoever. I've actually wanted to do a look like this since I started watching J Kissa. She pretty much never uses foundation, I think never. And she has obviously like the most amazing skin, which I might not have. I don't really have trouble skin or problem skin, but I do have a lot of like, I don't know, discolorations and stuff. I'm so pale, so sometimes I look blue. But yeah, I really wanted to do a look like this with no foundation, and I thought now that summer is around the corner, this is like the perfect look for a summer day. And also it's so nice when you don't wear foundation, you can actually wear glasses without getting these horrible marks. So yeah, if you would like to see how I created this look, and also I'm trying out a bunch of new different products, if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. Yay! We are of course starting off with a completely naked face with no makeup, but I do have my skincare routine on, of course. I actually have a video on how I do my skincare. If you would like to see that, I will link it up here. But I haven't applied the SPF, and SPF is super important. So the SPF that I am using is the Body Shop Vitamin E one. This is lovely. It's so thin. It's not greasy or anything like that. I hope you guys can see. It's like almost like water. Okay, let's see. Can I do this with only one hand? Okay, like that. It worked. And then I also take some on like my upper chest area and the neck. As we are not gonna go in with any foundation today, I'm just gonna go in with a primer, and this one is from Erborian. They are called BB drops, but they give no coverage at all. It just gives a very baby skin feel. And next step to prep our skin, we are gonna go in with the Inglot Face and Body Illuminator in 70. And this one I am going to use on almost my entire face. But mostly on my high points, and I'm gonna apply that with a Real Techniques buffing brush. And now it's time for concealer. I'm gonna go in with two different ones. The Shape Tape I'm gonna use underneath my eyes to really hide my dark circles, but I am gonna use a lot less than I usually do. And then on the rest of my face, on some pimples, and also around the sides of my nose and also mouth where I have some discolorations, I'm gonna go in with the Isadora Cover Up Concealer. In the inner and also just underneath. As you guys know, I usually take it down right to here, you know, but not for this look. I do have a lot of spots, but it's not pimples. I'm like a Dalmatian. To blend it out, I use a beauty blender. So that is pretty much the only coverage that we are going to use today, but of course I'm gonna go in with some bronzer, and today I'm gonna use a stick bronzer from NYX Prfessional makeup. So I'm just gonna apply that where I want to bronze, and this will be a quite bronzy, glowy look. And now after the bronzer, I want to contour a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with Amber from Fenty Beauty. I just got this like an hour ago. Okay, I do really like this one, but I'm not really sure if I like it better than my Anastasia contour stick in Fawn, but I will use it more and I'll see if I like it better. And then for a powder, this is the Candlelight powder from Too Faced. It gives no coverage at all, it just gives a really nice glow. So I'm just gonna pat it down. Mostly like in the middle of my face. And this just gives a really subtle glow. So I will also use it underneath my eyes. I love this powder so much. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of a powder bronzer, and this is the new Inglot X Jennifer Lopez collection. And I will just lightly, also just to mattify these parts, but I'm just gonna make it a little bit more intense, like that. You guys already know that I love blush, so of course I'm gonna go in with a blush, and this one is from Sigma, and it is called Pet Name. And as you guys can see, it's super light. It's like a very light corally pink, and that really suits me as I'm very pale, and now when I don't have any foundation on, I really need to be very careful with the blush so I don't look red all over, because when I go out in the sun, fun fact, when I try to tan naturally in the sun, I just look like a pig. Not that pigs are pink, but some are, right? I turn pink. Okay, you might be saying that I don't need any more glow. I really don't, but I want to have more glow. And this is my favorite highlighter right now. It is the Amrezy highlight from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is so nice. So I am going to use a little bit of that on the highest points of my face. You guys might think that when I say that this is quite a natural look, I would go for like a natural brow, but I am a redhead right now, so obviously I will still do my brows red, and this is the Inglot 63 Gel Liner. I think it matches me perfectly, so just as usual, I'm just gonna fill in my brows as I normally do. Okay, and now it is time for the eyes, and that is going to be super simple. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Prfessional Makeup Eyeshadow Base in Skin Tone. It's quite a weird name, we all must agree with, because obviously it's not my skin tone. It's darker than my skin tone, and it's not skin tone, but it's someone's skin tone, I'm sure. But yeah, that's another topic. I'm just going to use this as a base on my lids. If I'm gonna be out in the sun and all that, my lids always becomes very oily. And then for the easiest eye look ever, I'm gonna go in with the Soft Glam from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna go in with Tempera and just use that all over my lid. And I'm also gonna use it underneath my brow. And then the tiniest amount of the shade Rustic, and I'm gonna use that in the crease and outer corner, and a little bit in the outer corner on the bottom lid as well. Some nude kajal in my waterline, and this one is from Isadora. It is called Nude. I'm gonna curl my lashes. And now for mascara, I'm gonna go in with the new Inglot X Jennifer Lopez mascara. I used this for the first time yesterday, and I was blown away on how much I liked it. So I really wanted to show you guys it without any lashes, but I'm not really sure if I will apply lashes. I might. I won't promise anything, but I just want to show you guys how it looks. Also, I just want to show you guys the brush on this. Okay, I hope you guys understand what I mean. It is very tiny, but I absolutely love that, because you can really get those, like, get all the way in there, you know? And this doesn't clump up your lashes at all. Okay, so this is one layer. I really like how it looks. This is like a little bit too natural for me, so I am gonna go in with this super neon yellow shade. It's called Neon. It is from Melt, and it is the Radioactive stack. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that in my inner corner. I am gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Stripped. And of course we are gonna use some gloss, and I just got the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I think that is the shade. Not really sure, but yeah, I've heard that a lot of people love this one, so first time trying it. Before we end this, going to glow up my body with the same products. I'm gonna use the Inglot Illuminator and also the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Body Shop Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist. Alright, so that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and thought it was interesting to see me do a different kind of look. I've never really done anything like this. So if you enjoyed it, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, please click the please click the bell, then you will get notified when I upload videos, because some of you guys don't get notified, which is really sad if you would like to see my videos, you know. So yeah, that is it. I really hope you have an amazing day, and until my next video, have a great life. Bye.